What happens to your body if you drink celery juice every day? Did you know that just a small bunch of celery is enough to provide significant health benefits? Stick around as we explore the incredible advantages of incorporating one 8-ounce glass of celery juice into your daily routine. We'll give you 7 reasons to drink celery juice, plus we'll share a fantastic recipe at the end. Celery, crisp and refreshing, is one of the healthiest vegetables nature has provided us. Widely cultivated, it has been used for centuries in various cuisines. What makes celery so nutritious? Celery is an excellent source of essential nutrients, including potassium, antioxidants, and vitamin K. The vibrant green color of celery is due to its high chlorophyll content, a powerful compound that offers various health benefits. Rich in fiber, vitamin C, B1, B2, B3, and minerals such as potassium, magnesium, zinc, phosphorus, and iron, celery provides numerous health benefits. These benefits range from supporting heart health and digestion to reducing inflammation. Now that you're familiarized with this superfood, let's delve into 7 reasons to drink celery juice daily. Stay with us until the end for a refreshing celery juice recipe that's simple, delicious, and packed with health-boosting nutrients. Beneficial for digestive health. Celery juice is particularly beneficial for digestive health. Its natural diuretic properties help flush out toxins, reducing bloating and promoting a healthy balance in the digestive system. Celery juice contains compounds like apigenin, which can aid in soothing the digestive tract and minimizing inflammation. Additionally, celery is rich in fiber, supporting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Consuming celery juice daily can contribute to a healthy and happy gut. Manages blood pressure. Celery juice can play a crucial role in managing blood pressure. The high levels of potassium and phthalates in celery help relax blood vessels, promoting better blood circulation and potentially reducing blood pressure. Regular consumption of celery juice, combined with a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle, may contribute to maintaining optimal blood pressure levels. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Celery juice possesses powerful anti-inflammatory properties thanks to compounds like luteolin and polyacetylenes. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including heart disease and certain types of cancer. Including celery juice in your daily routine may contribute to lowering inflammation levels and promoting overall well-being. Supports weight loss. If you're looking to manage your weight, celery juice can be a helpful addition to your routine. With its low calorie content and high fiber, celery juice can promote a feeling of fullness, reducing overall caloric intake. Additionally, the diuretic properties of celery may help eliminate excess water weight. Combining celery juice with a healthy diet and regular exercise can contribute to effective weight management. Boosts immune system. Celery juice is a natural immune booster, thanks to its rich content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The combination of vitamin C, vitamin K, and other nutrients supports the immune system's function, helping the body defend against infections and illnesses. Including celery juice in your daily routine can fortify your immune system and contribute to overall health. Promotes hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health, and celery juice can be a hydrating option. With its high water content, celery juice helps keep the body hydrated, supporting optimal organ function and promoting healthy skin. Hydration is vital for various bodily functions, including digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Including celery juice in your daily routine can be a tasty way to contribute to your daily fluid intake. Improves skin health. Celery juice can contribute to healthier skin by promoting hydration and reducing inflammation. The antioxidants in celery, including vitamin C and luteolin, can aid in protecting the skin from oxidative stress and damage. Additionally, celery juice's hydrating properties help maintain skin elasticity and a radiant complexion. Including celery juice in your daily routine may contribute to overall skin health and a youthful appearance. Promotes bone health. Celery juice is beneficial for bone health primarily due to its vitamin K content. This vitamin helps regulate calcium levels and promotes its fixation in bones. Moreover, the beta-carotenes in celery are converted into vitamin A, essential for bone growth and general tissue repair. Additionally, celery contains potassium, which plays a role in reducing calcium excretion through urine, indirectly supporting bone health. What are the different types of celery and their health effects? Green celery, the most common type, rich in chlorophyll and a variety of essential nutrients. Golden celery, known for its vibrant yellow color, it contains additional compounds with potential health benefits. Red celery contains anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants linked to heart health and anti-inflammatory effects. White celery, Less common and milder in flavor, it still provides essential nutrients, but with a different phytonutrient profile. What is the best way to consume celery? The best way to consume celery involves varying methods to maximize nutrient intake. Eating it raw preserves most nutrients like fiber and vitamin C, and is ideal for snacks or in salads, providing a sense of fullness and offering nutritional benefits. Cooking celery, although it reduces some vitamins, enhances beta-carotene absorption. Both raw and cooked celery maintains their fiber content and other nutrients. Such preparations can significantly boost your intake of essential vitamins and minerals found in celery. Are celery and celery juice safe for everyone? Celery and celery juice are generally safe for most people, but there are exceptions. Allergic reactions, although rare, can occur, necessitating avoidance for those affected. Excessive consumption may lead to digestive discomfort, including abdominal pain, bloating, and gas, so moderation is key. For some individuals, particularly those with sensitivities, cooked celery may be more tolerable than raw. Excessive intake can also lead to carotenemia, a condition marked by a yellow-orange tint to the skin, generally harmless and reversible by reducing intake. Individuals on anticoagulants should exercise caution with celery consumption due to vitamin K interactions. Those using potassium-sparing diuretics must be mindful, as excessive celery intake can cause potassium buildup. Celery may trigger allergies in pollen-sensitive individuals and can accumulate heavy metals from contaminated soils, so sourcing from safe environments is crucial. Additionally, to avoid pesticide contamination, it's important to thoroughly wash celery, especially when consumed raw. Easy celery juice recipe to drink every day. Celery apple ginger juice. Ingredients: 1 large apple with its skin, 5 celery stalks chopped, 1 2-inch long piece of ginger chopped with its skin, 1/2 lemon or lime, 3/4 cup water. Sweetener, optional. Instructions: wash the produce well in running water and dry them. Cut away any mushy or shriveled spots from the apple. Chop the apple, celery, and ginger into small pieces, making it easier for your blender. Squeeze the juice from the lemon or lime into the blender. Add the chopped apple, celery, and ginger to the blender. Pour in the water and blend until smooth. Strain the juice using a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove pulp if desired. Add a sweetener like honey or agave syrup if you prefer a sweeter taste. Stir well and pour the juice into a glass. Enjoy your refreshing and nutritious celery apple ginger juice. Now that you're familiar with the incredible health benefits of celery juice, it's time to incorporate it into your daily routine. Whether you enjoy it first thing in the morning or throughout the day, celery juice can be a tasty and nutritious addition to support your overall well-being. If you learned something new, subscribe for more content like this.